Okay, y'all, here are the before and afters of the boys' room. So this is this corner before. This is the corner after we cleaned it up. This was by the wall, by the foot of his bed, or their beds, before we cleaned it. This is after, and this is all before I shampooed the carpet. I hadn't shampooed the carpet yet. I was just taking pictures. This was my son's bed, and this is the after of his bed. I wasn't doing a redecorating. I was just cleaning up. This was behind the bed, under the bed. So I wasn't redecorating, remodeling. I was just literally just cleaning up and cleaning out. That's all I wanted to do. I didn't want to do anything special. Just getting the space cleaned up and cleaned out and organized for them. This is my son's bed. He said this is comfort for him, but this is what depression looks like. That's comfort for him. He loves to draw, as you can see. And I just wanted to show him that when your space is clean, you can function better. You'll be happier. This is after we washed his sheets, got his bedding together. And I put this dry erase paper on the board because he likes to draw. And he decided to write his affirmation. That was the first thing he wanted to write. And when you have a child that suffers from depression, this was worth everything. I take the little wins. I tell you all the time, I take the little wins. Just even wiping the doorknobs, wiping the wall brightens the rooms up. So thank you guys for coming along on this journey.